Okay, I gotta show y'all what's going on. So my basil plant, I let it die and I need to see if I can revive it. So what we're gonna do is take it outside and replant it because the roots are still good, right? Let's see. Of course I have a green thumb, so we're gonna work this baby out. All right, this is where we're gonna plant this. I gotta get the tool going. It looks like there's a lot of rocks right here, but we're gonna get in there. Good gracious, ain't no rocks in there. Looks like we got a lot of red clay. I didn't know this much red clay and rocks was here, but this is an experiment. We're testing it out. We're gonna see if the basil can survive. I don't know that basils are like cockroaches, you know? I am such a nature girl. I love walking in the grass. Sometimes I come out here in the early morning and do my grounding and walking and stuff like that. It's just so phenomenal. Do you walk in the grass barefoot? Okay, gotta tell you about today's adventure in Mr. Millionaire Life. I am over here at the Bio Life Center because I'm gonna donate plasma. It is, number one, a way for me to save lives. Let me turn this down. And a way for me to earn some duckies. I'm going to report on what I find out. And it's going to be a thrilling and rewarding experience. I've never done this. I've donated blood before, but never donated plasma. So I am in Snellville, Georgia. Let's see how this goes, y'all. I am waiting to get my vein pricked. So interesting. Got checked in. This whole process is fascinating, y'all. I'm sitting here with the nurse. She did my physical and I had to answer a whole bunch of questions. They needed to make sure I ain't have hepatitis, HIV, just a whole long, lengthy process. I feel like I was buying a house, like, but it's, y'all know me, I'm always talking to people. So I've met some cool people here too. So this is the after effect. Even my blood was like, it didn't want to go. So they had to stop before they got the correct amount because my higher self know I ain't supposed to be. They ain't want my good blood supposed to be up in here in this vessel, but it was I'll have to tell y'all more about these. Okay, here at Goodwill trying on skirts. Definitely gonna get this one. Love the print, and it actually goes with my white boots. Check that out. What do you think? Y'all, what is up with me and these keys? So I hung my keys on this hanger at the Goodwill while I was trying on the skirts. Get out the store, couldn't find my keys. They're still here. I guess the keys want to go wherever they want to go, right? But I'm glad they were still here. This morning, I am learning about love, success, and money from Kathleen Cameron.
Let me know if this is your first time coming onto a live event. I see some familiar
Yay!
faces, some faces that I haven't
yes,
seen in a
this
little
will we
while.
doing today.